Alright, so another cloudy, gloomy day. Taking my car up for part 2 of PPF wrapping.
It wouldn't be a normal day without us working on at least one Tesla, so here's why that we're Clearbraing the entire car, bumper to bumper. Teslas are taking over with how many we're doing. Clearbra has a lot of benefits, and one that isn't mentioned too often is how it actually improves the look of your paint. The top coat of film adds a nice layer of gloss, making it a lot shinier and clearer than before, and it gives that just waxed and polished look without having to do all that work. I can't recommend this enough for anyone who's trying to make their paint look its best.
Hey guys, so I know I was going to do a part 2. It took a couple days only because it was raining, and once I got the car home, it rained some more. I didn't want to show it with spots and stuff on it. So anyway, this is part 2 coming at you. You can see the car behind me. Another thing to add, the one they use for the Clearbra, it's a pre-cut stencil piece. So if you look around the car, you can tell there's like little moments where it's cut before it goes into a turnaround, so it doesn't wrap completely around. So anyway, just let you know that. Just to recap, Clearbra in the front, bumper, the front hood, full side. All the doors are covered. The pillars are all covered too. Side mirrors are covered. The back panel right here covered. The trunk covered, which is very nice because I know people are going to hit it because they're going to try to open. The bumper, especially the bumper right here, because I know when I have it open, I might clink it or hit it or something like that. So when you have it open right here, here's the spot right here. Right there. You know how you put your knees right here, trying to reach in to get stuff. That's the area I need to cover right here. You guys know what I mean. Because imagine if you're having stuff, you're always hitting things, you carry stuff out, you might clip it. So anyway, that's a very important part. Actually, there's no seam. It kind of comes up and wraps over. So the seams right here. And they wrap this part completely to the back. Wraps completely to the back. Top part right here. Wrap it all the way around as far as possible. Yeah, that's good. I love how the color looks. Protects that little kind of shimmery metallic fleck. Looks really good. They told me that when you cover this part right here, it's not one piece that wraps. There's like two sections because it's like the sizing and the way it wraps, so it won't be nice, I guess, or I can't really explain it, but it won't be one whole entire piece that can wrap. So there's a seam right here. I don't know if you can see it. The seam that comes right here, right under the spoiler lip right here. Can't see it. I mean, I can tell because I'm always looking at it, but it's there. Anyway, that's the car. The full entire body wrap of the PPF Clearbra. Let me know what you think. Hot damn, or is it hot? Just hot here. But yeah, there's the interior. Here's the interior right here. Showing you guys how it's looking so far and how it's holding up. I gotta say that the interior, the heat rejection is very welcomed in this hot Texas weather. So you can see sun's blasting right here. But it feels nice in here. I mean, yeah, granted the AC is running too, but you don't feel the heat. You don't feel the hitting of the sun, you know? So again, recap, front, it's going to be 70% visibility, so PhotoSync 70. That's the clearest that they have available, and I want some sort of performance of heat rejection whenever I was picking out some sort of tint. So the front's PhotoSync 70. I opted to do the sunroof at PhotoSync 55 because I didn't want it to be too dark, but you know, some sort of performance. Since this is already clear, the front part right here, since it's clear as a manufacturer, comes very clear, I opted to do PhotoSync 30 to get it some sort of darkness to kind of somewhat goes with the rear right here. So I went with PhotoSync 55 here. 55 in the back, and that's pretty much it right here. So just coming from outside in the hot, feels like 90 outside, into this nice cooler interior that's very preconditioned, and also with heat rejection happening, feels nice in here. It's very bearable. So anyway, whenever I do the follow-up, you know, there's some concern. I mean, I was very iffy about doing the sunroof because I know some of the people on the forum are saying like, hey, there's some cracks or so that happen from the heat and whatever, but I opted to do it, and we'll see how it goes, you know, the next month whenever I go back for a follow-up, when I bring it back to EVS Motors to go check and see if there's any, you know, issues with any kind of bubble, any kind of curling. We'll see. So stay tuned for that. I guess I'm going to call it part 3 on the follow-up. All right, please leave your comments and questions below, and then please like, subscribe, and more videos to follow. All right, thanks. Hey, if you're in the market for a Tesla or any Tesla products, there's a referral code in the description link below. More videos come soon.